Zimbabwe becomes the first country to celebrate a rented passenger jet after purchasing 4 luxury jets for a conflicted fraudster. Sarabina Mashkomda Pangwa ine. I don't know, people are criticizing the move. Zvirikuitika munyika yeZimbabwe panguva ine zviri kunyatso kuonekwa kunzi yesterday, as we saw the Air Zimbabwe resume trips from Zimbabwe to UK. Chitiko panguva ine chakashamisa veruzhinji chaonekwa kunzi after spending years passengers achidilewa muOtambo panguva ine kuonekwa kunzi rumors as they are saying kuti in the ruling party ZANU-PF and in Zimbabwe, people they are celebrating this first rented jet that was subscribable like on the bill. Timida pahendo is ZANU-PF anobuda chipostowa nezim aishinyongwa ichinzi historic moment for Zimbabwe aviation. The wait is over. One of the world's safest and most advanced commercial aircraft, the Airbus A330, is now arrived at Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport. What developments are kuda pangwa ine atikona critics pangwa ine anyaswana kuti Zimbabwe we are still behind tichiri kure. People they are still celebrating this Airbus A330 pangwa ine irikonzi this is the one which is going to resume my flights achange achihida away from Zimbabwe to United Kingdom. But developments anyaswana kunzi tikatarisa when we got independence in 1980, there are so many years in between. Zimbabwe was going to make development yakachanisa kudarika what they are celebrating now. Impoti dzamafungo enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi awa chinyatsokuonekwa kunzi panguva ino people they are no longer criticizing but people they are just watching and living. Ungoona kuti ZANU-PF ngaite zvainoita pinango mese chinoratidza fungo enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, watch on the bell icon.